sa komisyon na lang nila napupunta.
Well, again, I will not deny that part of the payment of our client goes to your commissions. After all, nagbigay ka naman ng servisyo. But mind you, no, ang totoong full-blooded life insurance financial advisor will be there for the lifetime. Even to the point na wala ka ng commission na tinatanggap, the relationship still continues. I always end by saying to my client na na-close ko, I am more than happy to be your lifetime financial advisor. And rest assured, habang nabubuhay ako sa mundong ito, I will service you and your family. Kahit wala nang usapan ng commission dito, Marga. So, okay, the commission really is maybe in the first few years, but afterwards is not that. But again, if you continue and you believe that it's important to serve the client's need, you actually forget about the commission.
Yeah, so